Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the word curriculum. A curriculum is a set of subjects or learning points that you learn as part of an educational programme. But before I break this word down into its component syllables and phonemes, I just want to talk to you about a discount that is currently available on British Accent Academy's self-paced English pronunciation courses. British Accent Academy has 6 video courses on English pronunciation. These contain expert tutorials on topics such as pronouncing English's most difficult vowel sounds, avoiding native language interference from your native language, how to connect speech sounds together in context, native speaker style tips and tricks for intonation, and so much more. You'll get animated practice videos, word examples, sentence examples, and all of my expert knowledge distilled into some highly impactful and success yielding English pronunciation courses. So to get 20% off those courses, click on the link in my bio and explore everything that you can learn. So let's get back to pronouncing curriculum. This word contains 4 syllables. The stress is on the second syllable, the rick. Now this rick, the r, is notorious. You need to bunch your tongue up and reach towards the bump behind the teeth without flapping the tongue. Apart from this rick, there are 3 other syllables in the word that contain very lazy vowels. You need to make a very, very neutral mouth shape for 3 of the syllables in this word. Iculum, riculum, curriculum. So you can hear that the second syllable is longer and louder than the other syllables, the rick. We're making the voice more intense and we see a pitch change on that prominent syllable. The first syllable contains a weakly aspirated k, 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 k. Rick. That ick, that I, is also fairly neutral. We want to make a lazy face for all of these vowels, in fact. We want them to be very lazy. Make the face very soft, as if you've just woken up in the morning and you're pulling the laziest, most neutral expression you can. Curriculum. For the L, flap the tongue, and then we've got another lazy vowel again before the Curriculum. Iculum. Curriculum. 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 So make the face as lazy as you possibly can for those vowels. We want the tongue to be soft in the middle of the mouth. We want the jaw to be relaxed, no tension. We want the lips to be nice and lazy too. Not rounded, not spread. Curriculum. Curriculum.